Hey guys, here's an old box truck storage shed Snap-on toolbox find. This place was loaded up so bad you couldn't even get inside here, so I dragged some of the stuff out. Still tons of stuff to go through. Been here a while, brought a light in because it was so dark, couldn't see nothing in there. But here's the box. Now I don't know if this was just moved here and shit thrown in it, because the way it's set up makes no rhyme or reason. We have a bunch of different brands everywhere. Bonnie, we got Craftsman, Mac, Conwell, Snap-on. I think this bad Larry's Snap-on too. Yep, right there. Snap-on. But there's like I said, it's not set up like this is how you would use the box, because it's just like randomly unorganized. But there were some pretty cool finds in here, like there's a Snap-on 1/2-inch drive wobble, old, probably in the 60s or 70s. Snap-on Torx, so used, 3/8 to 1/4. No, this is Snap-on too. Did that say Blue Point? Old eyes, low light. I think that's a Blue Point. 1/4-inch, 1-inch, 1/2-inch drive, like extension, couple compasses, punch. Like I say, why would this be in this drawer? 1/4-inch, unless some tips, somebody was cleaning it out or whatever. Oh, it got moved. I don't see it. Like I say, it's not set up to work like this. Bunch of miscellaneous here. We got any Snap-on here. Sometimes these little bad Larrys. No name. No name. Cheesy. Little home. Nobody. Tubing cutter. Mini Polar. I don't know if I think I was in that drawer. Whoa, here we go. Yeah, so you have a little cheese stick pliers, voltage detector, and then we got a 18, 17, 19, 16, 10, and 1/2-inch. Just random. Well, at least it's made in USA. Did I do this one? No. There we go. Bunch of Snap-on sockets. Who's this? Who are you? Wow. Snap-on number 87 USA. These dikes must be from the 70s. Taiwan, whoever they are. Little caddy emblem. Whoa. So we got a blowgun, brazen head, that's Snap-on nut driver, Snap-on ratcheting wrench. That's not too old. That's like 80s. Big Snap-on Phillips. Another Snap-on ratcheting with a, looks like a new Torx in it. It can't be that old. Now these Snap-on M4. I think I saw one of these things on eBay, and the guy wanted like $100 for it, and he said it was from 44 or something like that. I don't know if that's true or not, but there's 2 or 3 of those. Snap-on swivel, quarter-inch, oh, KD tools, so USA. That's not that old. Yep, another Snap-on with a little regular bit on it. Half-inch drive, 715, SL 715. That's old. F730, still think that's pretty old. 710. Probably should see if these things still work. They look good. Yep. Whoa, this bad, Larry. Snap-on L710. If I had to guess, I would say that's from the 60s. Nothing here. Air gun. Pipe wrench. No name. Oh, blue point. There we go. There's a blue point. These, some universal joint clips and grease fitting. Say, it's not, what that spring fit. It's not set up to work, so I don't know if it was moved here for storage, or, I mean, your guess is as good as mine. I mean, look how old that drill is. And then I got like boxes of stuff like this. I mean, there's vice grips, it's chisel, it's probably Snap-on. Compression tester. That's a cheese dick china. Craftsman. So, I mean, it just goes on and on. Stuff everywhere. Stuff behind the light here. I don't know if you can see. Crap. Crap. Oh, we didn't do the bottom drawer. Holy shit. Okay, so. Wow. Chrome. Chrome? Blue point. Looks chrome, but I think it's polished. I don't know why it's so shiny. It feels a little oily.